Okay, we're making a wainscoting. Okay, this is lights. Okay, we're putting these panels in. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to run the lighting, because that's not going to, that works, but it's not nice. So let's see what we're going to do to make these wainscoting type light panels. All right, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put these in. All right. These are canless. All right. I'll show you how these go in the panels. Now, most of them come with a pattern for your template. All right. They all are a little different depending on the brand and the company. They all come with basic instructions. Okay. Now they have this new style of connectors. Now the holes are a little small. So if your Romex is too big, if your wire is too thick, you can always cut this off and still use your wire nuts if you need to. All right. And so this is a new wire nut, which isn't a wire nut at all. You just press your wires, push them down in there, and they lock in place. All right, and you have 3 of them. Okay, so now with no further ado, let's show you how this light goes in. All right, it's really a no-brainer. You just kind of pull this back, bring it back, okay? You bring your other one back, and we put it in. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. Okay, now, I'm going to do it this way right now, just to make it easier for you to see what I'm doing. All right. Now, take this, bring this back. All right, bring the other one back and drop it in. Okay. There you go. It's that easy. Okay? It's that easy. I'll show you the back side. It's pretty self-explanatory. Now next for the wiring. Okay.